Namaskar. Some of you maybe are a regular sprout eater, and some are those who may not have even tasted sprouts. Let's find out more about this little vegetable and how to avoid making the common mistake that many people make when eating them. So, what are sprouts? Very simple. Sprouts are germinated seeds. In other words, sprouted seeds. This can be easily grown at home by soaking the seeds for some hour and then draining the water out, allowing the seeds to sprout. Ready-made sprouts are now also available in the grocery stores. If you look at the type of sprouts, they are a big family, including vegetable sprouts, beans sprouts, pea sprouts, nut sprouts, sprouted grains, seeds sprouts, and varieties. Depending on the part of the world you come from, you may be familiar with some of these sprouts. Nowadays, Brussels sprouts are more popular, but they are not sprouts at all. They are like other vegetables such as cauliflowers and cabbage. You will be interested to know that the list of benefits of sprouts is very long. Sprouts are packed with vitamins and minerals, fibers, and great source of antioxidants. They provide protein, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, folic acid, and other nutrients like B vitamin and nutrients, minerals like phosphorus and magnesium. Sprouts are also low in fat, sodium, and calories. This is all rather tempting, but remember, sprout should be prepared in certain ways before adding them to your next meal. Firstly, you must ensure that sprouts are ready for consumption. Observe carefully that the sprouts are well grown with the shoots as long as the seeds. This is essential for the efficient digestion of sprout. Secondly, many people eat sprouts for their protein content. Now, for protein to build up, you need amino acids. For this to happen, you must eat different types of sprouts as a combination. And lastly, a warm, humid condition in which sprout grows also promotes the growth of bacteria. So, unfortunately, eating raw or lightly cooked sprouts can definitely lead to indigestion or bloating. One more thing, look for the appearance of the sprout before consuming it. If they are smelly or slimy, do not eat them. When you follow all these guidelines about consuming sprouts, you are prepared to enjoy for their multiple health benefits. In India, there is an evidence that moong was eaten since ancient times. In Hatha Pradipika, chapter 1, verse 65, Yogi Swatmaram encourages people to follow vegetarian diet and moong among other things. Gaudam Shali Yava Shashashtika Shobhananam Kashi Rajya Khanda Navanita Siddha Madhuni Shushti Patola Kafaladi Panchashakam Mugdhadi Divya Madhukam Cha Yamindram Pathyam. They say that continue this tradition by preparing and eating your sprouts safely. Grow them up, mix them, cook them up, and then enjoy them. Namaskar.